Hi guys, today we're gonna make a very easy masala macaroni. In boiling water, add 1 teaspoon of salt, one cup macaroni. I'm taking whole wheat semolina. Cook as instructed. Let's prepare the masala. I'm taking about 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 cup green peppers, 1 tablespoon carrot, 1 tablespoon garlic, 1 cup onions, half tomato and green chili as per your taste, salt as per your taste, mix well, and you can add any veggie of your choice. I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of Shewan chutney, 1.5 tablespoon of ketchup, 1 teaspoon garam masala, half teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon roasted cumin seed powder, 1 teaspoon dry parsley, add your pasta, and I'm gonna add about half a cup of pasta water. Do save that. And at the end, I'm gonna add half a cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. That tastes really good, so do not skip this. And here we go guys, our macaroni masala is ready. I hope you like the way I made this. Please like, share and subscribe for more future videos. Have a nice day guys.